Hi again, it's Heather here at Creative Faith Art Studio, and this is my December daily for the 3rd of December. So I wanted to show you quickly what I did for the 2nd. You saw me just lay out the really simple page, and I decided to journal on this. So I just left everything plain. I added just a little bit of journaling, and then I don't know if you can see it, but I just drew in the flavor of the ice cream that I bought. So really simple, quick and easy. So today I'm going to do this spread. I decided to use the same pattern paper that I used on the background here. I just had that other piece that I tore off. So I'm going to add that so it's a little cohesive from one side to the next. And then I'm going to add this I got from the Sticky Club. It was in the mailing for November. So I thought that was pretty. It ties in the round here to the round on this page because see, putting that up here. Also in the Sticky Club mailing, I had these two little snowflakes, which I think are really, really pretty. There's a whole bunch of these that are adorable. I won't get the package out, but, well, yeah, I will. Okay. Twist my arm. If I can get it open. They're just really sweet illustrations. I really like them. This is the thing I like about Sticky Club is they're just the stickers. When they send ones you like, you really like them. But look, see, like they're that kind of old-fashioned, like like Norwegian style, really sweet. Like aren't they pretty? So so I pulled those, look at that tree, out of that Sticky Club mailing. And I'll use these again because I do really like them. So anyway, so there's, yeah, so I'm gonna make a little, I'm gonna turn this into a tag. I thought this paper was kind of nice with that dark blue. And then this is I actually made these for a photo shoot for some products that I had for sale last year at Christmas time. So these I took off the product and I kept them. So I have a few of these, but I thought that'd be a nice thing to add to the page too. So I'm gonna get started and just kind of show you what I'm gonna do. So this is gonna be a pocket. So I'm just gonna do the 3 sides with my glue. Sometimes I use that double-sided tape. It's a crafting tape, and I do really like it. It's just that my glue is handy right there. Oh, here, and the tape's right here too. This is the kind that I have. A lot of people use that. I don't know what it's called, but it's in a red permanent tape. But this works well. So I'm gonna line that up on the bottom. And just stick it down. Come in this way and see if I can make sure that's on there well enough. Okay, so that's done. So this is actually a little notepad. So I'm going to take one of these guys off and set the rest aside. And I was going to put it up here, I think. Yeah, like right here. And I think I will actually put a little glue on the bottom too, just to stick it down better. Because I was thinking about making it a flap to journal underneath it, but over time how Post-it notes, they don't really adhere forever, so I think we'll just glue it down. It's just a pretty little drawing. So get that glued down. And then for the tag, all I was going to do, I'm just going to fold this in half. I think that'll be a good size. It's a little big. So maybe I'll just trim off one end. Try to be as straight as I can. I'm really not good at cutting straight lines. If you haven't seen that before, it's not my strongest my strongest quality. It's okay if there's a line, but when there's no line and I try to cut straight, it's like, why'd you try that? And so this is a little trick that I saw a couple different crafters on YouTube do. They cut the corner off, and then to make it match on the other side, and make sure that I dropped it, so now I'm all discombobulated. They just matched up, flip it over and match it on the other side, and then cut this side. I was like, that's genius. So now I've got a little tag. I'm gonna punch a hole in it, but I'm not going to, I'm actually not going to put a tie in it. Not right now anyway. I thought, because I'm gonna use this, it's a little big still, isn't it? Because I was going to put this on there too. And it has the string on it. I didn't want too much sticking out of the side. Maybe I'll turn it this way. Good? I don't know. What do you think? There? Will that work? And I can journal on that guy. Okay, and I think I'm just gonna staple that on. Where's my stapler? Is that the way I want it? You know what, I'll put one on this side too. This may mess this up, but I am going to add one right here. And then the pocket can be like this. There. I like that. Huh? What do you think? And then on my tag, I was just going to add the two little snowflakes. This is the tricky part. When these little guys, these little cutout stickers, is they are really hard to separate from the other one. So I'm going to put that one there. I want to overlap these a little bit. Well, that one wasn't too bad. There. Good. That might be a little busy. But you know what? We're going to go with it. That's the 3rd of December. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd love to hear from you. Please leave feedback, and I will see you next time. Bye. So before I go, I just wanted to show you I have a little update. I changed things a little bit because the page was going to drive me crazy if I didn't. So my little tag, I distressed around this guy, and I distressed a little on this image up here. I took the snowflakes off the tag. I distressed this on both sides, not on the inside, because I think I'm going to add, probably when I do journal in here, I'm going to add a little card to journal on, and I'll just dress it all at that time. That's why I didn't do it, because I thought, well, I'm going to cover it up anyway with a little card. So, and then I took the stickers off and I just put them here. I think it balanced out the page a little bit better, and I like it. I mean, between the two sides, it makes me feel good. And then I added the date up in the corner, just like on that page. Originally I was going to put it down here, but then I stapled that on. So, and I'm one of those people that doesn't mind the staples, so that just is going to stay as is. And that's it for today. Alright, so now I'm really going to go. Thanks again for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.